The last time I was preparing to become a bird, I was crafting my escape. Come winter, the loss of others, and most strikingly, myself, had been at the forefront of my every waking moment since the cicadas had gone quiet. A buzzing restlessness became my companion for months, unruly, irksome, and petulant, seemingly following through with the law that opposites attract. I was ready to leave myself, shed my outer skin like the cicadas who left me did. But I didn't want to burrow down into place like they, and so I became a bird instead. Today, I reflect on my past, present, and future. I am still a bird, though I love the sky and wind for whom I am with them now, rather than whom they give me potential to be. Today, I leave myself behind once more, but I plan to return with new additions rather than complete change. Today, I find myself missing for once what I leave behind, yet excited to come back with new marks upon my skin and stories to tell alongside as well. Today, I shall kiss the sky with peace and not a forced lust for renewal as before.